Is your LG TV showing a picture but no sound? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step by step how to fix the sound issue on your LG Smart TV, so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows without frustration. Step 1. Check TV volume and mute settings first. Check if the TV is muted or the volume is too low. Sometimes, the sound issue is as simple as an accidental press of the mute button. Use your remote to increase the volume and make sure mute is off. Also, check if your TV is set to output sound through internal speakers and not an external device. Step 2. Inspect cable and external connections. If you're using external devices like a set-top box, gaming console, or soundbar, check all cables. A loose or faulty HDMI or optical cable can cause sound loss. Unplug and reconnect them firmly. If possible, try a different cable to rule out damage. Step 3. Adjust LG TV sound settings. Go to Settings Sound on your LG TV. Make sure the sound out option is set to TV speaker if you want sound from the built-in speakers. If you're using external speakers, choose the correct output like HDMI ARC or optical. Also, try turning off features like SyncLink or AV sync adjustment, which sometimes cause conflicts. Step 4. Restart or reset your LG TV. If nothing works, restart your TV. Unplug the power cord for about 1 minute, then plug it back in. If the problem continues, perform a factory reset from Settings General Reset to Initial Settings. This often resolves software glitches causing sound issues. And that's it. By following these steps, your LG TV sound should be working again. If the issue persists, it may be a hardware problem and you'll need to contact LG support. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment if this fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.